अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज का ये क्लास 11th के लिए है। सब्जेक्ट है केमिस्ट्री और जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है रोल ऑफ गैस लॉज इन इल्यूसिडेटिंग द कंसेप्ट ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स। तो इस चैप्टर में हम गैस लॉज के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, साथ साथ में हम ये जो गैस लॉज का इफ़ेक्ट है कैसे रहता है इन मॉलिक्यूल्स पे। तो इससे पहले हमने पढ़ा था इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर इंटरेक्शंस। तो वहाँ पे हमने देखा ये जो मॉलिक्यूल्स है हाउ दे आर अट्रैक्टेड ड्यू टू दीज डिफरेंट फोर्सेस। बिहेवियर ऑफ गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स। द बिहेवियर ऑफ गैस मॉलिक्यूल इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन द प्रॉपर्टीज and the laws obeyed by the molecules of the gas. As we know, these gas molecules, they are very apart from each other due to high kinetic energy possessed by these molecules, and as a result there are large intermolecular spaces between these gas molecules. The distribution of molecules in a gas is very different from the distribution of molecules in liquids and solids. There are 5 properties and 5 gas laws that govern the behavior of these gas molecules. What is gas? First of all, we will try to learn here about the gas, definition of gas. As we know, this gas, it is a homogeneous fluid. We have already discussed about the property of fluidity. That is why these gaseous and liquids, they are called fluids, because they possess the property of fluidity. So a gas, it is a homogeneous fluid which has low density and low viscosity, and the volume of gas is assumed to have the volume equal to the volume of the vessel, because gases have a property, that is they can fill the container in which they are placed. That is why the volume of gas is assumed to have the volume equal to the volume of the vessel, because the gas molecules are free to move and they can occupy the space within the container. The classification of gases are classified in 2 ways, that is ideal gas and real gas or non-ideal gas. The properties of gases: density. The common units of measuring density is grams per liter. Temperature is measured in Kelvin, pressure millimeter of mercury, volume in centimeter, and amount of gas in moles. Now we will discuss here the kinetic theory of gases. The behavior of gas molecules is explained with the help of kinetic theory of gases. This kinetic theory of gases, it is very important topic here to understand the structure, or we can say understand the 3 states of matter, that is solid, liquid, and gas, especially this gaseous state. It is the study of gas molecules at the macroscopic level. Following are the postulates of the kinetic theory of gases. Gas is a composition of large number of molecules that are constantly in a random motion or momentum. The molecules of gas are continuously in motion. This point can be explained with the help of taking an example of this perfume. When we are spraying a perfume, or simply the burning of an incense stick, when we burn this stick in any corner of the room, the smell of this is spread throughout the room. That means the molecules are constantly in movement, or we can have this browning in moment as example of this random motion of these gases. The volume of the molecule is negligible, as the distance between the gas molecule is greater than the size of the molecule. Volume of the molecules is negligible, as the distance between the gas molecule is greater than the size of molecule. The gas molecules, they are very much far apart from each other. So the size of these gas molecules, the distance between the gas molecules is greater as compared to the size of these molecules. The intermolecular interactions are negligible because if there are strong intermolecular interactions, then these gas molecules might be close to each other. As these gas molecules are very much apart from each other and are continuously in random motion, which means there are less intermolecular interactions between the particles, between the molecules. The collision of molecules with each other and with the walls of the container is always elastic. These gas molecules, they collide, they hit each other while they are in random motion. And the next point is these gas molecules, they depend on the movement of these gas molecules, that depends upon this temperature. The collision between the gas molecules, that is governed by the temperature. What are the factors that affect the behavior of gases? Simply, the factors which are responsible for changing the behavior of gas is temperature, it is volume of the gas, it is pressure of the gas, and it is the quantity, number of moles. In the above mentioned factors, are interrelated and they are given as follows. As the temperature increases, the volume of the gas also increases due to an expansion of gas molecule. As we increase the temperature, the kinetic energy of molecules increases. As a result, these molecules, they move apart from each other. So there is expansion. As the temperature decreases, the volume of the gas also decreases due to the contraction of gas molecules. Compression takes place at that time. As the temperature increases, the pressure of the gas also increases due to an expansion of gas molecules. As the temperature decreases, the pressure of the gas also decreases due to the contraction of gas molecules. For converting gas either into solid or liquid, the temperature of the gas must be lowered and the pressure of the gas must be very high. In order to have a change in state of these gaseous molecules, we have to reduce the temperature and increase the pressure. As the quantity decreases, the pressure will also decrease, and with an increase in quantity, the pressure also increases. For pressure to decrease, the volume and quantity of the gas should be less. For pressure to increase, the volume and quantity of the gas should be more. It is the vice versa of the first point. That is, for pressure to decrease, the volume and quantity of the gas should be less, and for pressure to increase, the quantity and volume should be more. And now here we can discuss these gas laws. There are 5 gas laws that affect the behavior of gas molecules. That is Boyle's law, Charles' law, Gay-Lussac's law, Avogadro's law, and this ideal gas law. First of all, we will have a look on this Boyle's law. According to this Boyle's law, it is given by Robert Boyle. According to this law, the volume of the gas, it is inversely related to pressure when the amount of gas is fixed at constant temperature. Mathematical, or we can simply say this Boyle's law states that at a constant temperature, the volume of gas is inversely related to the pressure. At constant temperature, the volume of gas is inversely related to pressure. Yeah, it inversely changes with pressure. Mathematical form of this Boyle's law is P is inversely proportional to 1 by V. We can have this rearrangement. PV is equal to constant. P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2 or P3 V3, that is equal to constant. Where P is the pressure of gas, V is the volume of the gas. This first law, it gives the pressure volume relationship. Another law is Charles' law. According to Charles' law, the volume of the gas with a fixed mass is directly proportional to temperature. At constant pressure, the volume of a gas is directly proportional to its temperature. Simply we can say, at constant pressure, the volume of a gas is directly proportional to the temperature. Or we can say, the volume of a gas with a fixed mass is directly proportional to the temperature. Mathematical representation of this law is given in table, that is V is directly proportional to T, where V is the volume of gas and T is the temperature. Gay-Lussac's law of combining volumes. According to this law, when the volume of the gas is constant, the pressure of a given mass of a gas varies directly with the absolute temperature of the gas. When the pressure of given mass of a gas varies directly with the absolute temperature of the gas, when the volume of gas is constant. So we can mathematically represent this P1 by T1 is equal to P2 by T2, where T1 is the initial temperature and P1 is the initial pressure, whereas T2 and P2 are the final and temperature and final pressure respectively. Avogadro law. According to Avogadro law, when the pressure and temperature of the given gas are constant, then the number of moles and volume of the gas are in direct relationship. Mathematical representation of this law is V is directly proportional to M, that is volume of a gas. Volume of a gas at constant pressure and temperature is directly proportional to the number of moles of the gas, where V is the volume of gas, N is the number of moles, and K is constant of proportionality. Another is ideal gas law. According to this ideal gas law, the product of pressure and volume of 1 gram molecule of an ideal gas is equal to the product of number of moles of a gas, universal gas constant, and the absolute temperature, that is PV is equal to nRT. This is called a gas equation, ideal gas equation, where P is pressure of the gas, V is volume of the gas, N is number of moles, R is universal gas constant, whose value is 8.3145 joule per mole per Kelvin, and T is the temperature of the gas. We can also write here NKT, where N is Avogadro number, that is 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 particles.